Alright, so you're looking for a way to overall enhance your facial features, to overall feel better and to look better. Now in this video, I'm gonna break down the 5 things that you can start implementing today to improve your facial attractiveness. So over the years, I've had a lot of different hairstyles, from the faux hawk, to the mullet, to the man bun, to a shaved head, to the messy French crop style. And guys, I only know what I feel the best in because I've actually experimented with different hairstyles. You have to be able to get outside your comfort zone and actually try out different things. Because believe it or not, there might be a hairstyle out there that you just may have not tried it that will actually look really good on you. A hairstyle is a very personal thing, as you want to make sure you feel your best. Now, to be honest with you, I've always loved the faux hawk on myself, but recently I started to shave my head and I actually just love the way I started feeling with the shaved head. Now, with my facial features especially, I have very thick eyebrows, I have a beard. So overall, I think it actually enhances and complements my face with the shaved head. So choosing the right hairstyle on yourself is very important in order to take yourself to the next step to feeling and looking your best. Or even looking for good inspo. Guys, there's so many guys on Pinterest, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube that may have the same face shape as yours. So you have to actually start researching and looking for guys that look very similar to you and seeing what appeals to you and to see what would look good on you. As there's tons of inspo out there now with new hairstyles, new beard styles. So it's just a matter of finding what works for you and what makes you feel good. Now, another way to improve your facial attractiveness is actually enhancing your jawline. Now, enhancing your jawline, guys, what exactly does that mean? It means making sure you can see the overall facial structure of your face. And how do we do that? We do that by actually working out and removing body fat. Now, you can have the nicest structure of a jaw, but if you have a lot of body fat on your face, you will not be able to see it. I can even get you guys to do a technique called mewing. Now, mewing is a technique that guys use to really overall enhance their jawline. What you want to do to achieve mewing is actually close your mouth and put your teeth together and try and lift your tongue up towards the roof of your mouth. Now, a lot of guys actually do this before they take photos to really enhance their jawline. So another way you can have an attractive face is actually having a very consistent skincare routine, guys. Taking care of your skin in the morning and before you go to bed at night. This actually means removing the dirt and oil that gets trapped on your skin throughout the day. You want to make sure you're moisturizing your skin, you're exfoliating your skin, as this is super important that when you go out in the real world, you have a significant glow on your face. As guys, I don't want to make this heavy duty, thinking you need to do so many things for your face, as all you need to do is cleanse your face, moisturize your face twice a day, plus exfoliating your skin once or twice a week. Now, the best way to have the best skin is to just have a good routine from now on. As when wrinkles and pimples start coming, you don't actually have to start scrambling looking for the perfect skincare routine because you've already been so consistent from the beginning. Now, something that I personally use a lot of, especially before I do photo shoots or before I film my YouTube videos, is using a tinted moisturizer. This is actually gonna give the illusion of no blackheads, no wrinkles, no pimples. It's almost gonna cover this up, as your skin is gonna have a nice significant glow to it before you go out. Now, this is something you don't always have to use, but if you want to use it before a date or if you have a job interview and you want to give yourself that extra glow, it's just something really cool to throw into your skincare routine. Now, something that I love personally speaking about on this channel is facial hair. Maintaining and grooming your facial hair properly to fit your aesthetic. Now, for myself, I usually go with either a 1 or a 2 on the side, and in the chin, I usually do a 4 to a 6. Now, this is just something I've been very consistent with upkeeping. And what better way to really show off your face is actually doing your beard week to week. Now, whether you can grow a beard or you can't grow a beard, you want to make sure you're actually tidying this area up, as you want to make sure you're removing the hair on your cheekbone and underneath your neck area, as this is actually going to make your face more pronounced and give that chiseled look. Having a well-groomed beard is going to really help you be more confident in your day-to-day life, as it really shows a symbol of status that you took the time out of your day to really tidy this area up, as a beard can do wonders to your face. As for myself, when I was a lot younger, I actually couldn't grow any facial hair, to be honest with you. I really didn't grow facial hair probably till like my early 20s, and ever since then, I really just loved having a beard. It just made me feel a lot more confident about my day-to-day life. And it's just also something I get to do for myself and make myself feel good about. There you have it, guys, some tips on how you can start improving your facial attractiveness. Now, if I did inspire you in this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, as I'm posting content like this every single week, as we have men in this community that are interested in style, fitness, and grooming. And I'll see you all in the next video.